Hey folks, another day with scattered showers and thunder showers around the valley. What we're tracking right now is rain right in the middle of Starr County. In fact, it's prompted a flood advisory until 7 o'clock this evening. It's mainly right down the center part of the county. If you see Rio Grande City down here at the bottom, kind of right on the edge of that advisory. There's some rain in and around town right now. That's all pushing to the south. The lightning is turning yellow, which means we're getting near the end of it. It's been a few minutes ago that this lightning occurred. The white are current strikes, so you can see there's just not much of that left. So it's probably weakening as it continues pushing southward. Going to zoom out and look at the rest of the valley. There was some pretty good rain in Willacy and Cameron County earlier today, but that moved into Mexico and died. Stuff in Hidalgo County moved out to Starr County and faded away. A couple more showers up here to the north of us, so we'll watch all that, but things should be in the quieting down process. Any thunderstorms there will fade away this evening. By midnight, they're gone. And then I think tomorrow we're partly to mostly sunny again, but saw a few green splotches show up there, so there could be a brief shower, thunder shower in a couple of spots tomorrow, but a lot of the valley will be dry again, like it was today. And then tomorrow and into Sunday, rather, mostly sunny skies again. I think our rain chance is minimal on Sunday, and by next week, it's pretty much out of here. I think by Monday, we are dry, and we'll stay that way. Sunday, probably mainly dry. I can't completely rule out something, 5% probably, but most areas are dry on Sunday. Here's the big picture. Take a look at this. You can see the spinning. You can also tell this is not a particularly well-organized system in the Gulf, Barry. Most of the cloud masses on the south side of the center spinning right here. There's moisture on the top, but not all that much. And we're kind of on the fringe of that. Notice that moisture coming right down the coast, sideswiping us today. We'll be watching for that to continue to happen. Got really close today, but stayed out in the Gulf. There's the Hurricane Hunter plane. Found a wind of 62 miles an hour on the north edge, minimum pressure 29.27. Still out there looking to see if it can find more, and so far that's the strongest stuff it's seen. 28.7, 90.9, winds officially 65 miles per hour. Not that far south of the coast as we speak, and by tomorrow afternoon likely will be on land and continue moving northward from there, but it's going to be over Louisiana from now through Sunday. And remember, most of the moisture is on the south side of it, so even when the center is up here, all that moisture is still coming across the land, so they are going to see a tremendous amount of rainfall, as you've been hearing throughout the southern part of Louisiana, and the rain will continue all the way up into next week, up into the Mississippi and Ohio Valley. Here it is on the upper level map. The highs represent ridges aloft. It's basically a Rocky Mountain high, and we'll call it a Bermuda high or a Bahama high, if you will. Low gets sandwiched in between, gets pushed northward, and with that it stays well away from us and will continue to stay well away from us for the next few days. We just don't see it getting any chance of coming here. But look at the rainfall. Here's what we're talking about. 6 to 12 inches plus down around New Orleans and Baton Rouge. This is going to be a big-time rainmaker for them. For Texas, not so much. So for tonight, your first 1 to 5 accurate weather forecast. Partly cloudy with spotty storms. Mainly this evening, 77 real low. Then tomorrow, back up to 100 degrees, partly to mostly sunny. Thunderstorm in a couple of spots, but a lot of the valley will be dry a lot of the day. 100 tomorrow, 101 on Sunday, 100 again on Monday. Next week, we're back in the upper 90s under partly to mostly sunny skies. That's your updated first 1 to 5 forecast.